Hi, welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, July 30th of 2025. I'm Gio Benacourt, and this is a recording done by Vantage Markets right about 37 minutes prior to the U.S. session open. Well, we just got our reading for second quarter, the first reading of the GDP, a better than expected report, which typically signals that the U.S. economy is stronger and more resilient than anticipated, which tends to have a positive effect on major equity indices such as the Nasdaq, the Dow, the S&P 500. So that number grew at 3% in the second quarter, and it is surpassing expectations of 2.4%. So this sharp rebound after a previous contraction highlights economic strength, particularly in consumption and the labor market. So let's take a look at, let's actually speculate what we could probably expect to see from the markets after this reading. Let's go down to a 4-hour chart and take a look at what we can come in and speculate for levels of resistance and support. So we've seen how yesterday the market did that swing high. I mean, obviously not the highest, but it's in high, retraced, found a bottom, and from here it seems to be sideways trading, just consolidating, waiting for this report to come out. So it came out positive. So later on today, we're also going to be having the Fed minutes. He's going to be reading, telling us about what will he do about rates. Now, I mean, will he throw us a curveball and actually do cut? We don't know. I mean, that could be, will he give in to Trump's demands? Hey, cut interest rates. I mean, this is a good reason why to cut interest rates, because inflation is under control and GDP came out no better than expected. So therefore, there could be a very good, strong reason to cut. Now, let's see if he will do that, if he'll surprise the markets. Markets don't like surprises, however. So the common sense would tell us that, okay, so if he does cut, then the market should spike, right, and rally. So how much closer will it get us? Will that rally? If that happens, how much closer will that rally get us to that, the stone marker, 24,000? I mean, we are still basically 500 points away from it. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen today. But the consensus or the direction is to the upside. We are in earnings season, so keep that in mind. Take a look at the S&P. It had a much defined downtrend here in this 4-hour chart. So I'm going to basically use 6,400 as a psychological level of support. And then I'm going to use a 50-day moving average. Then I'm going to use a 20-day moving average within the Bollinger Bands. Then come down here and do this hour, yesterday's, what was it, around the open? 9 o'clock. Swing down. So let's see what will happen. Then we have Dow. The Dow seems to be also in a sideways movement. I'm gonna actually leave that first level of support. Basically, the market has rebounded from there, showing us a strong level. And the second one, 4460 ish, right there. Levels of resistance, 4490, 900, and the 20-day moving average. I mean, first of all, we have the 50-day moving average across the board, across the chart, acting as that dynamic level of resistance for the market. So we've seen that being touched once, twice, rejected twice, so far 3 times, really. So, but still, let's see at the open if we'll see another momentum to the upside, another rally. All right, so crude oil has been on a nice move to the upside. Now, our level of support has been rejected. It bounced off. Actually, it found support. It found buyers waiting around this level, and obviously held the market back up. So I'm gonna leave the same as that we have here, okay? And yeah, we'll make another attempt to the upside in crude oil. Obviously, that assumption in regards to the trade deals that came out. So today we also are going to be having the EIA report coming out. So keep that in mind also. Nat Gas, the report will be tomorrow along with jobless claims. Also, Nat Gas, yes, actually did tank, hitting basically coming off towards the $3 marker. It didn't really hit it. It kissed it. Basically, it's a well, actually, it's right there. So most likely it's gonna hit it. This momentum to the upside, this parabolic movement seems to be quite strong. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Use the 50-day moving average. It's a pretty wide candle in these 4 hours. Let's see if this psychological value of $3 will hold, and we'll find buyers here or will it tank. I mean, obviously, this is profit taking because of the deal. Obviously, they want to make that more economical for the European Union, which is wasn't in the deal supposedly. Energy, so liquefied natural gas is a resource that they need, that Russia was supplying them. So if Russia isn't going to be backing off of that war, the 10, 12 day, whatever threat, if you will, or deadline to end the war, or more secondary tariffs will come in place and all that stuff. So let's see what happens. Anyhow, gold is also pushing lower. Let's see if it has found support buyers around this enough to retrace all of this downward movement. 3,300 is going to be that psychological value where if it continues to slide, we'll see buyers stepping in. Now, silver, after having a nice run, it's giving back most of it. It's starting to give back those gains. So I'm gonna actually use the lower boundary band as my first level of support, and then this 37.5 as my second. Looking to buy here. Let's see what happens. Then we have copper. So copper as well, after making a nice run to the upside, seems to have lost some momentum. I'm gonna use 560, and then the 20-day moving average coming up here, 550, and the lower boundary band. Then let's take a look at Bitcoin. End of the month, well, actually one more day, but basically end of the month. Sideways trading, she's trying to find its direction. So let's just use the 20-day moving average and the upper boundary band. And then as support, I'm going to use 117, flat out round number, and then 116, 116,000. So let's see if we'll be able to move higher. The euro. Okay, so the euro fluctuating below that 115. That 115. So let's see 114.5. If it'll be able to find some, and then 114,200. Actually, I'm gonna use that 115 now resistance. So it's trending lower, pushing lower. The pound, well, the pound seems to be also having pressure to the downside. So let's use that. Let's use the 20-day moving average. $133. psychological, and then I'm gonna use the lower boundary band. Seems to be pushing lower. Most likely the dollar index is catching a bid, and it is. It's getting stronger. So let's see how much higher will the dollar index push. And this is obviously so making in reference on this, as the dollar index moves higher and the euro pushes lower, in a way that will make obviously things cheaper for Europeans to buy, because it actually right now, actually no, because right now is they gotta give out a $1.15, $1.14.5 to buy euro, right? So actually, how it is right now is better for the European Union. But let's see how much stronger will the dollar get, and how much pressure will it apply to the assets such as gold and the currencies. Have a good trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.